Surrey is so much more than butter chicken and samosas. Let's start again, okay. Hi, I'm Raj, known to my followers as Pink Chai. I love chai, and pink chai, it's sweet and salty just like me. Pink represents happiness, love, and joy. And chai, it represents my culture, so pink chai is kind of the perfect pairing. So you'll notice that when you pour the batter in, the top layer of your paratha will start to dry out, and as soon as the edges start to pull away and it comes off the pan easily, that's when you want to flip. I want to preserve traditions and cultural recipes, but with a twist. Like so many first-generation Canadians, I grew up eating amazing Indian food cooked by my mom and my grandmother, dishes that really, they embody comfort for me because my family is at the heart of all the things I love to do, whether that's cooking, trying new recipes, exploring, going out on adventures, and I sort of do everything with my family. We are serious foodies and we're always on the lookout for new things to taste and try here in our city. There are so many types of culinary experiences right here in Surrey that are often overlooked because they're overshadowed by the idea of butter chicken, which obviously we have some of the best butter chicken you can get anywhere here, but it might surprise you to learn that there are so many other communities cooking up delicious food right here in Surrey. We have some amazing chefs making Mexican, Thai, Afghani, Iraqi, Syrian food. Surrey is a big city without a big city feel. If I lived in a place where people didn't say hello or smile at each other, it would affect my quality of life. I want to live in a place where people want to talk to their neighbors. I get a lot of joy and happiness from connecting with people every day, and you get to see new perspectives and meet new people, and for me, that's one of the really special things about Surrey. There's so many green spaces and parks and just lovely trails where you can go walking and exploring with the family. It's just a really lush city. I think this last year has kind of made everyone take stock of what is important to us and what really matters. I have so much gratitude for the fact that my family is healthy, we're together. We've been a family that loves to travel. We love to have these big epic experiences, but the last year has taught us that right here locally, as long as we're together, we can find fun experiences, we can try new things. I mean, we planned on going to Italy last year and obviously that didn't happen, so we as a family took up learning how to make pasta at home. And just a little thing like that, it brought us so much joy. Big isn't the only experience. You can find joy in the littlest things too.